Hello students, this is Vishwanath Borgalle and welcomes you for the fourth unit, Social Movements and Their Political Implications. And today's topic is backward classes movements. Now this is second PPT of this topic, and today we will see what are the different political implications have been implemented by the government to eradicate the backward classes movements or to improve the backward classes. So among that, for the political implications, Sayajirao Gaikwad, the king or the Maharaja of the Gwalior, who was the first one to introduce the reservation to the backward classes. This person has introduced the reservation in the whole country first time for the BC, that is backward classes people. Second one, a person who belongs to Karnataka, that is Nalvadi Krishnaraj Wadiyar, Maharaj of Mysore, formed a commission headed by the Leslie Miller in 1918 to go in the detail of the backward classes and find the solutions, as well as he gave the 50% of the reservations to the backward classes. इस नलवड़ी कृष्ण राज वड़ियर इन्होंने एक कमीशन बिठाया, जो कमीशन बैकवर्ड क्लासेस जो कम्युनिटीज इनके जो लोग हैं उनकी समस्या क्या है, उनको कैसे सुलझा सकते हैं या फिर उनको दूसरे समाज के बराबर कैसे लाया जा सकता है, तो उसके लिए एक कमीशन बिठाया जो मिलर द्वारा हेडेड था। 1918 में उसको बनाया गया था, उसकी स्थापना की गई थी। तो उसके सुझाव के अनुसार कृष्णराज वड़ियर ने, नलवड़ी कृष्णराज वड़ियर ने पहली बार 50% रिजर्वेशन सीट्स बीसी लोगों को दिला दिए। उसके बाद श्री वेंकटा कृष्णय्या, who is popularly known as a Thatai of the Mysore, and Sri Kongdiyappa of the Doddapallapur, Bellapur, has started an educational institution for the BC. तो ऐसे महान व्यक्तियों के द्वारा जो बैकवर्ड क्लासेस के लोग हैं इनका उद्धार शुरू हुआ। कुछ लोगों ने अपने एम्प्लॉयमेंट में 50% रिजर्वेशन दिया, तो कुछ लोगों ने उन लोगों के लिए एजुकेशनल शैक्षणिक संस्थाओं की स्थापना की। Now let's see what are the legally or constitutionally which provisions have been established by the Indian government. So the Constitution of India provides reservation in the public employment in favor of any backward classes under the article number 16. Yes, have we seen previously that Dalits got also reservation in as per the constitution, as like same backward classes people also got the reservation in everywhere. It may be educational, in political field, even in the employment also, as per the article number 16. According to article number 340, President of India authorized to appoint National Backward Class Commission. Yeah, a President of India, he can establish one of a commission which can look after the backward classes people to provide financial assistance to the poor people and who comes BPL, that is below poverty line, to look after them. The National Backward Classes Finance and the National Backward Development Corporation has been established. So here the financial assistance has been given to the backward peoples to bring them up economically, and that kind of National Backward Classes Finance and Development Corporation has been established across the country. And one more guideline has been given to all the states of the Union of India, that State Backward Class Commission can be established in every state. So in Karnataka, Devraj Earth Development Corporation is functioning. So by this Devraj Earth Development Corporation, financial help is provided to the backward classes people. No other provisions which have been made by the government. Government of India appointed the Backward Classes Commission headed by the Kaka Kelkar in 1953, which look after the people and their development. Sri B.P. Mandal Commission, which was formed in 1979 and which had submitted its report in 1990. This committee, B.P. Mandal Commission, which has been identified 3,743 castes and communities which comes under the backward classes, and this total number of population goes near about 52% of the total population. So it has given a sum of a recommendation and which were accepted by the Indian government. Then let's see what are those recommendations done by the B.P. Mandal Commission, which reported in the 1990. So the first recommendation made by the B.P. Mandal Commission, that is the reservation in the employment to the OBC has to be provided with the 27%. 27% रिजर्वेशन बीसी लोगों को दिया जाना चाहिए, ये एक उनका रिकमेंडेशन था. दूसरा जो था, इन द केसेस ऑफ बैकलॉग it should be preserved for the 3 years, and that whatever the age, maximum age limit should be enhanced for the appointment like that SC and ST people. स्टूडेंट्स, जब मान लो आप KPSC UPSC के लिए अप्लाई करते हो जनरल कैटेगरी से, तो आपका एज लिमिट मैक्सिमम 28 से 30 रहता है. लेकिन अगर वही एज लिमिट आप अगर देख सकते हो, SC हो, ST हो या फिर OBC हो, उनके लिए प्लस 5 years मिनिमम रहता है, 3 to 5 years. इट मे बी 33 और 35, whereas another community people's age limit remains 30. बाकी जनरल कैटेगरी में जो लोग आते हैं उनके लिए 30 एज लिमिटेशन रहता है. सरकारी दफ्तरों में अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए तो SC ST BC के लिए वो 33 से 35 एज यानी 3 से 5 साल की सहूलियत यहाँ पे इन लोगों को दी जाती है. दैट आल्सो प्रोविजन मेड बाय द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट प्रोविजंस मेड बाय द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट टू bring up the backward class people. Thank you, students.